Hey, welcome back to my channel. I finally have something fun to share with you. A local spa wanted something to tie into their other art. I'm going to take you through the creative process from my initial sketches to the final brush strokes, so you can see how this mural comes to life. Let's dive in. Originally, they asked if I could replicate some wallpaper from elsewhere, but I don't really like doing that. It's copyright infringement, and it also doesn't give me a lot of room for personal expression or my own style. I tried altering the base design to be a row of faces, which was one of the ideas we had discussed, but I found them a bit aggressive. It felt to me like it was a bunch of faces staring at you. I didn't think it gave that relaxing spa feel. I did need to keep the line art though, just turn the faces away from the viewer. I went with a laying figure to fit nicely around the equipment. It was really easy to find this image on Google, but I didn't like the hair. I wanted it up to keep the rest of the silhouette clean. So I grabbed an ad for one of those hair towels, a bit of resizing in Procreate, and it worked perfectly. From there, I picked the dominant lines and connected them. The second leg took a bit of experimentation to get something I liked. I didn't want to have an exact copy of the first leg. I also added length to the legs. The original photo was taken at an angle, but my line art is abstract, and I didn't like how the perspective made the figure feel a bit stubby. The nice part about handmade art is you can change things. This might not be anatomically correct, but it looks right on the wall. For the second figure, I like the idea of a woman sitting on this stool. It suits the cheeky humor they have, and I like how it integrates with the environment. I snagged the picture off Pexels. It reads like she's tying her hair up, which is a perfect fit for a spa. This one doesn't have feet, but the hair took a while. I'm definitely glad I swapped the head for the other figure. And that's the concept art done. I emailed them to the client and she loved them, of course. So now all I have to do is pack up my iPad, my projector, and my paintbrushes so I can throw them on the wall. Sometimes that first brushstroke is a bit nerve-wracking. It feels naughty, like your mom is going to come in and yell at you for coloring on the walls. But you need to just dive in. Take that leap and start painting. The feeling evaporates quickly. The actual painting is a pretty straightforward process. Using a projector makes it a really simple job. I just threw the concept picture on the wall and traced. The worst part is that you have to be careful for your shadow. You have to position yourself to the side so you aren't blocking the image. Getting the first coat goes really fast though, and then you can turn off the projector, pack it up, and then take your time to straighten and clean up your lines. It's really just smooth sailing from here. All of the important decisions have been made, and the basic idea is up, so you can just take your time and concentrate on doing a good job.